everyone. Today we are going to teach you how to put cutlet. First, you should take the beetroot chapati and put inside the egg yolk and put in the pan, and like that you put 2 or 5 more. How big your pan is being. It is like a real cutlet but is an veg beetroot cutlet. Then you put the last one in the pan. That's all. You wash your hand and you close it up now and put some oil on it. After putting some oil, very clearly it start to bubbles. Then you take this, how it comes. When I done, I will show you. Okay, bye. Okay, the pan,
Wow.
the cutlass was ready. Now we should put it aside.
Wow.
It's nice, na? Like a meat bread.
Yes. It's like a meat bread.
But it's
But
like,
this is not a meat, it's a purely vegetarian, but only one egg yolk only tip.
it's non-vegetarian.
So fully beetroot and wheat flour. Then needed some.
Things.
Wow! It's ready, beetroot cutlet.